What if I told you there was a way to turn your retirement savings into a paycheck every month, no matter how long you live? I know, that sounds good, doesn't it? Well, that's exactly what an annuity can do for you. What makes an annuity so special? Well, here's something that you may not know. Only 10% of employers today still offer a traditional pension plan, and most people still believe Social Security will carry them through retirement. But let me be clear. Social Security was never designed to fully support your retirement lifestyle. It was only meant to supplement your income. So if you want financial stability in retirement, you need something that truly replaces your paycheck. Now, that's what makes annuities so special. They can do that. Let's talk about how annuities work, how they compare to your 401k, and how they can fit into your financial future. So let's get started. Now, an annuity is a retirement product offered by an insurance company that turns your savings into a guaranteed stream of income. You can fund it all at once or over time, and in return, you receive regular payments for a set period, but in most cases, for life. Now, it's creating your own pension, especially if your job doesn't have a pension plan. And there are different types of annuities: fixed, indexed, and variable. Now, I'll break those down in another video, but at the core of annuities, here's one thing. It's about creating guaranteed income that you cannot outlive. Now, how do annuities compare to a 401k? Let's clear up something. Annuities aren't here to replace your 401k. They work alongside each other. Your 401k is designed to grow your money. Annuity is designed to pay you once you're ready to retire. Think of it like this. A 401k helps you build a house, and the annuity makes sure the lights stay on and the bills are paid. Now, you can even roll over a portion of your 401k into an annuity when you retire to lock in a guaranteed income. So you're not living at the mercy of the market swings. Now, let's talk about how to fund an annuity, because you have options. The first option is a deferred annuity. Deferred annuity means you put your money in now, let it grow over time, and then start taking income later. This is a great option if you're still working and planning ahead. Now, next is an immediate annuity. Immediate annuity is funded with a lump sum, maybe from a rollover or a savings, and it starts paying you right away. Perfect if you're retired or about to retire and you want income now. But both options offer long-term value. It just depends on your money timeline and goals. Now let's talk about annuities versus life insurance. Now this trips a lot of people up, so let me break it down. Life insurance protects you against a financial loss. You buy it hoping that you never use it. Annuities, on the other hand, protect you against outliving your money. In the case of annuities, you buy it now knowing you'll use it because you want to provide yourself income as long as you live. Now, both tools come from an insurance company, but they solve very different problems. Life insurance mainly protects your loved ones with income after you're gone. An annuity protects you by providing income while you're still here. Now, why annuities matter in retirement? Now, here's the challenge. You save for decades. Now you have to spend that money wisely without running out. That's hard to do when the market is up one year and then is down the next. Annuities remove that guesswork. They provide steady, predictable income that keeps showing up regardless what happens with the stock market, interest rates, or even politics. This peace of mind you can't put a price on. Now, let me share a real story with you. I had a client in her early 60s. She was a great saver. But when retirement came, she was worried about the volatility of the market. We moved part of her 401k into a fixed index annuity with lifetime income benefits. A few years later, while the market was bouncing all over the place, her income never skipped a beat. While her friends were cutting expenses, she was living her best retirement life, receiving her paycheck because it was locked in. Now, this is the power of predictability. But let's go further. Let's talk about the key benefits of annuities. And let's talk about what an annuity can actually do for you. Now, first is guaranteed income for life. You'll never outlive your paycheck. That alone can change how you experience retirement. Next, you have protection from market downturns. Now, depending on the type, with fixed and index options, you won't lose money when the market drops, but you can still benefit when the market rises. So please feel free to ask me how that works, and we'll talk about that later. Now, next is optional benefits for your spouse. Joint life annuities keep income going for your partner if something happens to you, so both of you still stay protected. Next is tax-deferred growth while accumulating funds. Your money grows faster without annual taxes eating into it, leaving you more to generate income later. And so, let's move on to legacy options to pass the money on. Some annuities let you pass any unused funds to your heirs. So you protect your income and your legacy at the same time. Now, the bottom line, annuities are built to turn your money into income and your plan into peace. If you're serious about retirement and you want predictable income you can count on, an annuity might be the answer. Let's sit down and talk through your goals. I'll walk you through your options step by step. Now, if this content was helpful, like, share, and please subscribe to the channel so you never miss a tip. And if you know someone who is planning for retirement or may benefit from our talk today, share this with them. But don't stop here. Watch my video series on investing from your 20s to your 70s. And as I like to say, call Jay today. Thanks for listening.